Even though the new Mi Mix 2s share most of its internals with the regular Mi Mix 2, there are a few notable changes. First up, the Snapdragon 845, Qualcomm's new beastly, top-of-the-line chipset. We haven't really seen many SD845 devices at the office thus far, but our initial impressions from flagships like the Sony Xperia XZ2 are incredibly positive. Not only does the new silicon deliver a tangible performance boost over its Snapdragon 835 predecessor, but it also does so without harming battery life. And the upgrade goes beyond CPU and GPU benchmark scores as well, thanks to things like an improved DSP and a faster X20 LTE modem. Xiaomi prides itself on dual SIM support for all its phones, as well as a long list of supported. Speaking of battery life, Xiaomi has kept the 3400 mAh pack from the regular Mi Mix 2, with the promise of similar or better battery endurance numbers. Or, to put it simple, the Chinese manufacturer claims most people should be able to get at least a day's use out of the phone. We can't wait to test that claim once the Mix 2s comes in for review. Another new addition to the mix, if you'd excuse the pun, is Qi wireless charging. While diplomatically avoiding any bold claims, Xiaomi thinks this might actually be the first time a company pulls off induction charging through ceramic. The phone can draw in up to 7.5 watts of power this way. If you still don't own a Qi charger, Xiaomi will also be offering an inexpensive one of its own, priced at 99 Chinese yuans, or about $16. The charger will even be included in the retail package of the top 8GB plus 256GB version. If a faster top-up is more your thing, the Mi Mix 2s also support Quick Charge 3.0 through its Type-C USB port. That's not exactly taking full potential of the CQ4 Plus standard, the Snapdragon 845 is capable of, but we won't hold it against Xiaomi, since most manufacturers typically take their time upgrading fast charging standards. As far as memory configurations go, the Mi Mix 2s has a total of 3 at launch: 6GB RAM, plus 64GB storage, 6GB RAM, plus 128GB storage, and the top-tier 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. If the ordinary Mi Mix 2 is anything to go by, the latter could be limited in availability and feature a unibody ceramic build. Although, all the units we saw had the metal skeleton design we described earlier. Also, just like its sibling, the Mix 2s lacks an SD card slot, so choosing an adequate storage tier is essential.